The Ethereum and XRP competition is still on. And when it comes to fundamentals, XRP is whooping Ethereum's behind as it takes yet another metric. Okay, we're still lagging a little bit in market price. I say a little bit because I know that once things really get going, XRP is going to eat up that gap really quickly. So that's one thing that Ethereum has yet over XRP, which isn't a big metric, to be honest with you. And it's not very significant actually, but people look at market cap to rank tokens. So in mindshare, that's important. But what is slightly more important than market cap is the FDV, and XRP just surpassed Ethereum in that particular aspect. But before, let's have a quick look at what XRP is doing. It's moving sideways like every other token. This is it charted against Ethereum. As you can see, they're behaving pretty much the same. They dip when Bitcoin dips. Sometimes they pump when Bitcoin pumps, or pump on their own accord. As you can see there, the actual scale of XRP's pumping and dumping is more than Ethereum. So Ethereum is a little bit more sort of dampened out in response because there's not much interest in ETH compared to XRP in terms of sentiments, but they're behaving pretty much the same. They're both still coupled to Bitcoin, as you can see. So that's fine. Talking about Ethereum though, there's a little bit of frenzy that's been whipped up lately. It looks like Vitalik Buterin is himself accumulating a little bit of Ethereum. So there's some speculation there that he might know something. You have Trump's fund that was buying Ethereum. Some whales accumulated significantly in the past 28 to 48 hours, helping Ethereum actually wake up a little bit. But apart from that, you know, in terms of mind share and the minds of people, Ethereum is pretty much dead at the moment, to be honest. Nothing amazing, nothing exciting is happening. But XRP has a lot going for it, a lot of renewed interest, and that has contributed to it surpassing Ethereum in FDV. So what is FDV, you may ask? It is the fully diluted valuation, FDV in crypto, right? Fully diluted valuation is the total value of cryptocurrency project. Consider all of its tokens are in circulation. It is used by investors to gauge the future potential of a project. So the market cap is a valuation of what it is now, you know, how much money is in it. I mean, they're both based on price, but, you know, one is futuristic in terms of value and represents potential in terms of FDV, and market cap basically measures the now, right? Just like the total number of issuable shares in the stock market, okay? So the key takeaways of this definition is that it is fully diluted valuation is the total value of the cryptocurrency project, assuming all of its stocks or tokens are in circulation. Okay, the total supply of tokens may change due to the minting of new tokens or due to the tokens that are burnt and removed from, you know, the circulation. FDV is calculated using a formula, token price times total supply, which gives a projection of the cryptocurrency's market cap when all tokens are in circulation. So the market cap is what happens as of now, and the FDV is effectively the market cap when all of the tokens are in circulation. Now, of course, we understand how Ethereum has an endless supply. I know it's moved to proof of stake now, and they have the burning mechanism, which kind of reduces it. Now it's, in theory, deflationary when enough tokens are burnt. Bitcoin has a fixed amount, so Bitcoin's FDV can be projected forward because eventually all of the tokens are going to be mined. XRP, we know what the fixed supply is, 100 billion, I believe. FDV, easy to calculate, right? Not so complicated, okay? And here's a little demand and supply graph, yada. I'll leave the link in the description as usual if you guys want to peruse that. Well, look at this. XRP surpasses Ethereum in fully diluted valuation. Fully diluted valuation represents the total market cap of cryptocurrency if all tokens were in circulation, okay? Recent buzz, especially from expos, highlights that XRP has overtaken Ethereum in this metric. While exact FDV figures fluctuate with price and circulating supply, This milestone has caught attention because Ethereum has long been a dominant player in the crypto space, known for its smart contract capabilities and vast ecosystems. XRP, primarily associated with Ripple and cross-border payments, achieving this feat suggests a significant shift in market perception or speculative interest. Okay, so a bit of price analysis there. As of the latest snapshot, XRP was trading at $2.16, reflecting 4.3% increase in 24-hour period. Okay, and it talks about the price there and how FDV of XRP has surpassed that of Ethereum based on price movement, right? Why does this actually matter? Well, XRP's FDV surpassing Ethereum doesn't mean that it's worth more, not at the moment anyway. In practical terms, circulating market cap around 122 billion for XRP versus 380 billion for Ethereum. Man, that's moving, it's inching ever so close. Still favors Ethereum. However, it signals heightened investor focus on XRP, possibly driven by speculative momentum or renewed confidence in Ripple's legal and operational progress after years of SEC litigation. So these are the catalysts behind the surge, right? You have the proposed XRP ETF filing. There is a $1.53 trillion investment firm, likely referring to a major player like BlackRock or Fidelity. It's not BlackRock because BlackRock is something like a 8 trillion firm, right? 1.5 trillion probably refers to sort of a JP Morgan or something a little bit less big. Fidelity maybe, right? Though specifics remain unconfirmed, in trending posts has reportedly filed for an XRP exchange traded fund. So there is a really large investment organization that has apparently applied or filed for an XRP ETF. Okay, that's to be expected. There's going to be a lot of them, including BlackRock eventually. This follows earlier ETF filings by firms like Bitwise and 21 Shares in the late 2024s. As noted in web reports from Crypto News and Coinpedia, an ETF would open XRP to institutional investors, boosting liquidity and legitimacy. Key drivers of its recent 4.13% jump. Now, I mean, I think XRP's got all the legitimacy it wants and needs. If you watched my previous video about how many countries in the world are involved with Ripple projects, Ripple Net, XRP Ledger, etc., then you'd understand that XRP already has the legitimacy, right? What it is waiting for, in a way, is, the end of the legal stuff, so that companies can, go all in. We can have NDAs finally removed and just things just get on, right? Also, because of the video that I made yesterday, I got a lot of messages concerning a private ledger, and I was about to make a completely separate independent video addressing this, but then I watched Zach Rector's video, and he made a really short but brilliant video. It's probably the latest video on his channel as of now that I'm recording this. So go watch that if you have problems understanding what the private ledgers are and what's happening with the XRP tokens or whatever. If you watch it and you still don't understand it, then let me know. I'll probably make a detailed video about that. But the short of it is, no, your XRP is not being diluted by another XRP or whatever. Okay, so there's a large XRP transfers also. Some significant XRP movements have been flagged, including transfers of 100 million XRP, valued roughly at $216 million at the moment, between wallets tied to Ripple exchanges. Such whale activity often sparks speculation of strategic positioning, perhaps linked to ETF anticipation or Ripple's payment network expansion. And I think I'd also include the strategic reserve speculations and rumors in that as well. So a lot of people are positioning themselves to be in the right place when the pump arrives, okay? And then XRP's community on X has been vocal with posts like XRP just flipped ETH in FDV, bullish as F, reflecting optimism. So shout out to you guys. The XRP army is the third catalyst XRP Army is now perceived as a fundamental metric. So shout out to you guys. This aligns with a broader altcoin rally, though XRP's gains stand out compared to Ethereum's more modest uptick. The narrative of XRP as a bank-friendly crypto bolstered by Ripple's partnerships may be resonating anew. Okay, so people are, waking up again from the little slumber and the slight depression of the dip. Okay, the broader implications of this, of course, is that XRP, this FDV milestone and price surge could solidify XRP's position as a top tier altcoin. That's funny. If the ETF materializes, it might challenge Ethereum's dominance in institutional portfolios. I think this is inevitable. Ethereum's FDV being eclipsed doesn't diminish its ecosystem. DeFi, NFTs, layer 2s, scaling solutions, and all those things keep it robust, right? However, it underscores how price momentum in altcoins can temporarily shift valuation optics. I feel like this article kind of tries to play safe and placate and commiserate Ethereum a little bit. Like, oh, XRP keeps chipping away at your throne effectively, but you've still got you've still got DeFi, you've still got NFTs. Don't worry, you're still good, you're still valuable. And then there's market dynamics. This event ties to a crypto market wrestling with macro pressures, e.g. US economic uncertainty, where XRP's rally offers a counter narrative to Bitcoin's choppiness. So fantastic article. Shout out to XRP Army for now being a metric of the fundamentals. And shout out to XRP for another milestone. One bit at a time, XRP gains more and more prominence. And it's only a matter of time before we take on Bitcoin itself. Not financial advice, genuine research. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.